ner mala kenyam ka nas dialtin content baro ani lingwaseme baro dan palpin ke liang rantin content ban ling wudenen yena me ramkel milakwe rewi ke juba jana wa shinatin content wa jagwasama wa shikana gwany ka shika warga shikana gwar kwar South Sudan ko jen deja nan katijen ke deja nan gwalok. Resident of South Sudan capital threatened to sue the government on Wednesday, accusing it of failing to provide basic service in their neighborhood for many years. And would me awajan chet kwere gruntungwan kanete kontin gorga jano de jayen kanete kontin takai referendum mie saba kene gudele kene reality wachen chicken waraga chicken top rewiki juba ko kum ba kula take ngaiting no shika lawyer won Michel ka Mario Maker majok chikana kwan. The notice was delivered to the Minister of Justice on Tuesday. Chikan warga mo chikana goro nena ano wuda me jana wacha to kwer ka gwadme bar kajan kantin konder lat kana kalat. Okay, we are intending to sue the National Minister of Environment and Forestry, the National Road Authority, and the Juba City Council. The reason is that they failed to deliver service to citizens in the area of High Referendum, Miasaba, and Gudele, he said. He added that the Justice Minister, as the government Attorney General, must be given legal notice before lawsuit against government institution can proceed. Chana jo me chana jamilin kelba kadoba dan en chetuogo je ko gor kon ban jangajo go angule ro mone.
It is the legal notice to the Ministry of Justice, because the Ministry of Justice and Constitutional Affairs is the institutions that provide legal advice to all the institutions in the government. So the minister is considered as Attorney General of the government. So it is the right person, before you sue any government official or government institution, the law says that you must give legal notice to that institution. That's why we wrote that letter.
Kajawa shalin gwasame ude me payen tour de nene ramkel mimo shalado wojen wa kwa Jesu kaduo budana dong kana service kan je tup ka gwade service nten kon tup ke wa chikan duop chikan agak wa tele ne tede jien to wore ka lo chikan dub dial sha agak lo teramu ku jal dong de jien gwasmo we gwada dana dong dera we ko ka ngak tin re kan winimi ka juba chikan yere aga ti chikan jome chikan ladano mele roden tama ka shol ne kumen wode kan mishir kan me de kan e lokaja. The lawyer said the legal threat was a wake-up call and that the group hoped to resolve the concern out of court. In this affected area, roads are cut off, there are no health facilities, schools are not accessible, and people cannot move to the town. Majok said he expects the Justice Minister to convene discussion with the accused institution. If the feedback is positive, I will drop the legal proceeding against them, because what we want is implementation of their constitutional mandate, he added. Majok stated that every citizen has a right to basic service and that if the issue is not addressed, they will proceed with the lawsuit and may expand the case to include other affected areas. The Justice Minister could not immediately be reached for comment by this message that was sent to them by the youth in the area. Jo shaling gwasame atada andong lat kenno Canadian kon chikon jutkin chikon churkin chanakaling high referendum kana gotin kokien awana chuina long commercial water bond disease lo chuina tele piu to go the masken ke wa road find ba che je ala piu wa tene ren water that are stagnant la piu to je already in gwasamo ka cha do ba cha je gek la do ba dan dong piu de ka ben ka je tele piu to be ko do ba nan de na ko jalga je wa kanalat en ramadan kule la kuer kene de content dong de service mo kule to wachi ken gang rodien alo loken area mon wode jalat chikala do mishikana me chi chong tega article michagor Article 36 of the South Sudan Constitution states that the security and the welfare of the people of South Sudan shall be the primary duty of all levels of government. ken de dial content cha lare which wa men ya malung men de realika ki men de ladno chiang ke men cha gor ka bungone o eneran mi cha kwerche jek men ya men der lat wa der natin content en wenamo der ka ladika ka der ka gang ka der ka jago bi te pol point ban mi chala de nediti cha gwinje no ken chicken deer kamandan le rode ajen shu na ka je so chala do ba kan an ka kot kamo kan goron bi kan wuj bi ka ka chala do ken ba la da mo ba je kap chung lo cha ka bi su ka jo ran cha ling gwas mene a jo de bana nywa gwas me bana rocha ke kwiram kel mil activist gor kono de kon ling kamana en cha gor gwas mene no ban rocha ke kwi den termanyang rami mo la rocha ke tin kon lat ko diare wi ke South Sudan te ga jo mo chalat gwas me a jena mal ajen mate malten ajen v development bereten ajen dung no mate kurten jen tel michal development so chana nong na mal ko bitin jeg diala kon de ben kudan bi kuletel den termanyang gad with jen activist mala roy ne chiang mate ga mi jeg mashalat e kume le de mo ke le netin content dong nyinke kume la jora la ja tube mate gwan mi chana la jeg ten cha nang na la jora la ja tube especially kajen current situation tana tantam rewi ka South Sudan che jore che jitu bulong che tungwan che condemn che gata dana kwain kana ta dana woi kana la ramu gala ja woi ke den ba gwada ba mu karada din ramu go mo don goro je no der la der jalat but after that ba je wuj ajana mitala mal ti diala kana jak bada ba wo mal tetina wa yen bi amal ba je din nok shablan je ka lepkun ka shaje put into action no che titi chakala da janna me emission lot no ajana me gor kono bi mal bo niam gor jeno banatin konti gor mal ka bana kalat jet ko wona anu bi mal be ben the release of Dr. Machar, the release of all the detainees ko they can 2018 revitalized peace agreement they can kula realika kia they can peace process they can kula join to tell one sided me de mal de jalat karwada kalat kan no ito peace kan collapse kalat ka gweje clearly no peace chated cha collapse ajen ka gwazi dan ba chenyo wala den wona ne and then termanyang ko jene activist chala do wona ne ano binaren kai kach ete ka mal mritin ka gwe keje clearly no tela mal na mo che chong anyok che kume don kirma yadi ke kume so dan tega nyok muko criticize bo ke che kala jor no ne lat kene wala kan wala kana lar no men chala de che to ka yo ba jo nyok mi jegge chet ko de tay dana chala ke jeno ji Uganda ichi ben ka South Sudan chu kume choje deny alolat keno tele ji Uganda chiben but afterward job jigano ti kume Uganda tikare we ka South Sudan kume ngu makaje kai keje so look the kamal so kuja mo tindi alat keno take development medeben ke take kamal medebere we ka South Sudan mal bedil ben alo chane dial konti la jimal ka chaka get involved jine dial chicken kwanye no bi mal beben but meken kana gorno bi ken mal bi ken mega laken ajentel mishala mal anyong ay kon dial malo bebena gore ne dial che gore one side che gore ne te content wenamo tiladen wo mal jatin ka telamal so ci mal che deben e ko lat nga kay ci mal yeben ka chikalat jana de jeg dial kon yala ko bi kirmi yadi ci kon kenen tel mal ka tel development ka tel unity kare we ka Sudan we all know all this thing and no jeka ka gornu gorna mal ajen mo kwa kire kwa ele pressure luñ dakeng ma cha luñ ne diala ko ninte ka tijen awoja alat ke ama la be alat ke election mi cha pat be churwech mi cha ken kana pat braden bo gwada be jegol full stop so jo me ajen dana gorno de nyaa ya kel mi jira ma jidit ka Nuer TV gor jen wo jen dere larum de nyaane de ko ken ban nyo je kala do den chuje poro jeno jin be ja nyaa ga kan de ko kenen kono gor ka leng bo kiren gor ko ba tinto ba ngach jiram jidit ku subscribe ko notification bell ko jetwan ku channel ko chonkel be ta kamal ban je mu den bye bye